In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import email contacts into systeme.io. We'll walk through the whole process from preparing your file all the way to confirming that your contacts have been successfully added to your account. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause as you go. First, you need to prepare your CSV file. A CSV is just a simple spreadsheet format that systeme.io can read. Open your contact list in a spreadsheet tool and make sure the top row has clear headers. At minimum, you want 3 columns labeled email, first name, and last name. Under each header, add the correct information for each contact in its own row. If you collect additional details, like a phone number or custom fields, you can add more columns for those as well. Just keep the headers simple and descriptive, and make sure every email address is correctly formatted. Once you've organized everything, you need to download the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Go to the top left of your spreadsheet window and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Download. Then choose the option that says Comma Separated Values, or CSV. This will save a copy of your contact list to your computer in the correct format for systeme.io. Next, go to your browser and log into your systeme.io account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and hover over the section labeled CRM. From that drop-down, click on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list area. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Import Contacts. Click on that to start the import process. You'll now see a section labeled something like Contacts to Import. Click the area that says Click to select your CSV file that contains your contacts. A file browser window will pop up from your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved your CSV, select the file, and then click Open in the bottom right of that window. After the file is uploaded, systeme.io will give you options to organize these new contacts. Here you can select existing tags or create new tags to label this group of contacts. You can also choose which email campaigns these contacts should be added to. Take a moment to set this up, because it will help you segment and automate your marketing later. When you're ready, click Next at the bottom. A preview of the contacts you're about to import will appear in a pop-up. Review the details, and if everything looks good, click Import. Once the import starts, you can return to your main contact list to check the results. Go back to the contacts page and look for the new entries. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page and give it a moment to reload. After a short wait, your imported email contacts should appear in the list with the tags and campaigns you selected already applied.